Here is how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open Instagram and come to your profile page. Once you're here, click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then go to Account Center. After that, scroll down and you'll find Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. And you'll see this option, Deactivation or Deletion. So click on this. Then select the account which you'll want to deactivate. And now just select this option to deactivate your account. So here they've said you can only deactivate your account once a week. And if you want to reactivate it, you can do this by simply logging in with your account username and password. So now just click on Continue. And here they've said what all you lose access to. So your followers, your posts, your stories. But the thing is, when you reactivate your account, you'll get it all back. So if you're sure you want to, just click on Continue. They'll ask for your password once again, and then it'll be deactivated. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.